Let's be brutally honest. You're probably tired of the endless promises about making money online. The gurus, flashing their luxury cars, private jets, and big houses, promising passive income and overnight riches. You've seen the methods, right? Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. Maybe you've even tried them only to realize it's not quite as easy as they make it seem, is it? But here's the deal. If you're looking for the truth about how you can actually make money online in 2025, even if you have zero skills and no age limit, then this video is for you. Stick with me because you need to stay until the very end. Why? Because we're going to reveal the one crucial mindset shift that truly unlocks online success, no matter where you're starting from. I get it. This world is flooded with noise. Everyone's trying to sell you their secret formula for success. And many of us, we've been there, haven't we? Trying different online ventures, pouring in our time, our energy, sometimes even our money, and then wondering, why isn't this working for us? Here's the truth. It's not that these methods, like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, don't work at all. No. It's that they each come with a learning curve. They demand commitment. And let's be real, they often require a disproportionate investment of time, money, and effort for the results they promise. So, what's the answer? It's about finding the right vehicle for you. Here's the core truth about making money online. It's not about being lucky. It's not about having some secret knowledge that only the gurus know. In fact, it's so simple. Most people find it hard to believe. It all comes down to one fundamental principle: solving a specific problem for someone who has it. That's it. That's the engine of any successful online endeavor. Now listen up. After analyzing countless successful online ventures, two business models consistently stand out. They're perfect for those of you starting with zero specific skills and looking for a path that's truly accessible and scalable. All right, let's dive into the first business model: digital product creation. Now don't panic. This isn't about building complex software or learning how to code. Nope, it's about using readily available tools, and yes, even AI, to create valuable digital assets that solve everyday problems. Think practical templates, helpful planners, insightful short e-guides, or even unique digital art. People are constantly searching for solutions that save them time, simplify tasks, or make their lives better. So how do you do it? Here's the breakdown. Step 1. Identify a problem or need. Look for common frustrations or repetitive tasks in different niches. For example, how do I plan my social media content efficiently? Or where can I find a simple budget tracker? Step 2. Create your solution, your product. Use user-friendly design platforms like Canva, or tap into AI generators to help with initial content and structure. Focus on clarity, ease of use, and delivering tangible value. Step 3. Distribute and sell. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even a direct link in your social media bio let you sell digital downloads with minimal overhead. The more specific and useful your product is, the higher its appeal. Now, let's talk about the second business model, and it's equally powerful for building income without needing any specific skills: service arbitrage. This is where you act as the bridge. You connect clients who need specific services with talented freelancers who can provide them, and you take a cut in the middle. You don't perform the service yourself. Nope. You manage the project, ensure quality, and here's the best part: it can be entirely faceless and highly profitable. So, how do you make this work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Find the demand. Browse popular freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to see what services clients are actively requesting and paying good money for. Think video editing, script writing, AI content generation, social media management, or graphic design. Pick one where there's clear demand. Step 2. Find your supplier. On those same platforms, or even in places like Facebook groups or Reddit, find skilled freelancers who offer that service at a lower rate than what clients are willing to pay. For example, a client on Upwork might be ready to pay $150 for a short video edit, while you find a talented freelancer who'll do it for $75. Step 3. Be the bridge. Create your own compelling profile on a client-facing platform, like Upwork, offering the chosen service. When a client hires you, simply outsource the work to your chosen freelancer, manage the communication, make sure the work meets expectations, and deliver the final product. You pocket the difference. Your role? Effective project management and keeping the client happy. So, how do you attract attention to these offerings, especially if you're running a faceless channel? This is where your content strategy becomes absolutely crucial. You don't need to be on camera. Nope, you just need to be smart about how you attract and engage your audience. It all comes down to a simple yet powerful framework for creating compelling content that draws in your perfect buyer. Point, story, lesson. This is how you'll create videos and short-form content that lead people directly to your solutions. Get started on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Here's how it works. Step 1. The point. Start by clearly identifying a specific problem your perfect buyer is struggling with. For example, If you're selling a social media template, your point could be, how do I create engaging social media content without any design skills? Or if you're offering video editing arbitrage, your point might be, why your business videos aren't converting and how to fix it. Step 2. The story. Weave a relatable story around that point. It could be a common misconception about online business, a we've all been there moment with a certain task, or an example of someone who achieved success by solving that exact problem using a digital product or service. Stories are the glue that makes information stick, and they show your audience you understand their pain. Step 3. The lesson. Deliver a clear, actionable takeaway or framework that helps solve that problem. This is your value proposition. Give your audience something practical they can implement immediately. When people get results from your free content, like a simple tip or a new perspective, you build immense trust and become their go-to resource for a deeper solution. This is where you subtly guide them toward your digital products or the services you offer. Let's wrap this up. Making money online, it's not about luck or secret knowledge. It's about understanding the game and playing it strategically. You now have an advantage. The game is waiting. Are you ready to start playing? Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge or why you haven't started your online journey yet. Your insights help us create content that solves your problems. And don't forget, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video with more solutions and guides.